Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a great way to remove all of those tiny bumps on your forehead, you know, all of those tiny pimples. All right, so if you're actually experiencing those tiny pimples on your forehead or on your face, literally, this treatment is actually for you and you are at the right video, because the ingredients today are very simple and there's something that you can actually, you know, quickly find. All right, so this I have here is sugar, and you can actually use white sugar for this tiny bumps remedy, okay, because sugar contains a smaller granular particles that helps your skin glow really fine. So I just put in 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay, which is perfect. And then also we're going to be making use of green tea. All right, so you have to put in the green tea particles, okay, in the bag. All right, so green tea is an amazing ingredient that helps so much to make your skin look healthy, and it actually helps to remove tiny bumps. It helps for pimples, and it's equally helps to get rid of darkness on your skin, literally. So we're also going to be making use of lemon, guys. Lemon is an amazing ingredient that actually helps the skin glow. It contains vitamin C that makes your skin lighter because it scrubs out all of the blemishes, dark spots, and it helps to make your skin even out. So I'm going to be putting it bit by bit, just a little here and there, so that it won't actually be too much for this. Then we're going to be making use of honey. Okay, I'm going to be telling you the 3 important ingredients that you must not skip, because this particular one has a lot of ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to be, at the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you, even if you want to skip some, you cannot skip some. Okay, so do not worry, keep on watching. All right guys, so honey is a great moisturizing agent that helps to moisturize the skin and make the skin glow up really fine. So when you use honey on your skin, it will make your skin smoother, and then it will make your skin look really clear. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting 2 tablespoons of my honey. Okay, this is an important ingredient. Okay, so what I'm going to, this is ginger. You'll be needing ginger a whole freaking lot in this particular bumps treatment. So I'm actually not even peeling it, but I'm going to be grating it just like that. But if you want to peel yours, guys, you can as well peel it. It's ideal even if you want to peel it. Okay, alright, so this is it, and then I'm gonna be squeezing in the juice. You can see that. Oh, sorry, I just need to adjust the juice in here. Alright, keep on watching so you can see how I'm going to be applying this. So the very important ingredient that shouldn't be skipped in this particular one is the lemon, the ginger, and the honey. So even if you don't want to use the rest too, it is okay, but you shouldn't skip lemon, ginger, and honey. Okay. Alright, so let me go apply this onto my forehead and show you how effective this could, because I actually experienced some little rashes on my forehead, and that's why I'm actually making this video. Okay guys, so this is your forehead bomb remedy. Okay, this is how it looks like. Alright, it smells good too. So what you do is that you apply this into your forehead. Like I myself, I do have rashes on my forehead right now, and I do need this a whole lot. Okay. Okay guys, so after which you've applied it onto your forehead, this is how it's gonna be looking like. Okay, so after that, then you can gently rub it. You can gently rub it this way. Okay, just gently. Now this is actually going to, you know, poke off all of those bumps, like little tiny bumps here and there. It's gonna just poke them, and it is better for the sugar to poke them. Okay, because when it poke them, it's going to get into the skin than for you to actually use your hand to, you know, poke it and poke it. Okay, so it is better you do it this way so that it will poke it, and then your skin will be really smooth. Okay, so after which you've done this, if you feel that you want to apply it again, you can do that. You know, apply a generous quantity. You can as well do that. Okay. Okay, so after which you have done that, now for this particular ingredient, you can actually put it in an airtight container and then seal it up, and then you would be using it every evening. Okay, or every morning when you wake up. If you feel the bumps or the pimples or the breakout is everywhere on your face, you can literally just apply it everywhere, and that is actually going to help you to remove all of those facial bumps and all of that. Okay, so that is that. Every day for as long as those things are on your face till they go, that's when you stop using this. Okay, so after which you've done that, now you would have to use a warm towel, you know, or you use a normal room temperature. Since if it's actually an heat time, just like this time that I am now, you know, I prefer to use a normal room temperature water to clean my face. But if it's actually a normal time or raining time, you know, or cold season, you use a warm towel when it comes to, you know, pimples or bumps like that on your face. Okay, okay guys, so you clean it just like this, and after which you've cleaned it, then you can actually go wash this and then, you know, clean it up. Now continue using this till you actually see a whole lot of improvements onto your skin, y'all. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.